Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever felt like you're spending more time prepping your meals than actually enjoying them, then today's video is exactly what you need. We are diving deep into the ultimate kitchen game changer, the 4-in-1 multi-purpose stainless steel vegetable slicer and shredder. This isn't just another basic kitchen tool, it is a complete, professional-grade meal prep system designed to replace those bulky, hard-to-clean food processors and dangerous, dull knives that take up too much space in your drawers. Let's talk about the build quality first. Every single blade in this set is crafted from high-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel. This means they are engineered to stay razor-sharp through thousands of uses, whether you're slicing soft fruits or the hardest root vegetables. The set features 4 interchangeable blades that allow you to customize your cooking style instantly. You can switch from a thin slicer to a coarse shredder, a fine grater, or a julienne cutter in less than 2 seconds. Imagine preparing a fresh, vibrant garden salad in a fraction of the time it normally takes. Need perfectly thin sliced potatoes for homemade crispy chips or a professional potato gratin? This tool handles it with ease. Want to create beautiful, restaurant-style shredded carrots for your favorite cake or a healthy coleslaw? Just swap the blade and you're ready to go. It even works perfectly for grating hard cheeses like Parmesan or zesting citrus fruits to add that extra burst of flavor to your dishes. What makes this slicer truly stand out from the rest is its brilliant ergonomic design. It features a reinforced, heavy-duty frame and a non-slip handle that fits comfortably in your hand, giving you total stability. Unlike old-fashioned box graters that slip and slide all over your counter, this manual cutter gives you absolute control over every movement. This ensures consistent thickness for every single slice, which is the secret to even cooking and a beautiful presentation that will impress your family and guests. Safety and hygiene are just as important as speed. The ultra-sharp blades are designed to cut through food with minimal pressure, so you don't have to struggle. Once you're finished, cleanup is a total breeze because every single part is 100% dishwasher safe. Its slim, flat design means it slides right into any kitchen drawer, freeing up your valuable cabinet space for other things. This 4-in-1 slicer is the ultimate hack for busy parents trying to get dinner on the table, healthy eaters who love fresh produce, and home chefs who want to reclaim their time. Stop settling for uneven slices and the frustration of slow meal prep. It's time to upgrade to a tool that makes cooking feel like a fun hobby instead of a daily chore. It's durable, incredibly efficient, and built to be your reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Don't wait to transform your kitchen experience. Click the link in bio to shop now and grab your professional slicer set today.